Hi, God bless you. God bless you. My name is Apostle Albert Baby. I'm inviting you to Standard Life Christian Center this year, our annual Faith and Fire Conference, which is coming on from Wednesday the 2nd of July to Friday the 4th of July, 6 p.m. each night. I expect to see you. Don't be a dropout. The Lord is going to bless you. We are hosting Apostle Dr. Joshua Bell, a good friend of mine. He will be speaking. Myself, I will be speaking. We want to help you to know how you can tap into God's covenant promises. Let me see you. It will be great to have you here with me. Wednesday, 2nd of July to Friday, 4th of July. And you can look at the flyer. Take a screenshot of the flyer for details to this program. We are located at Men's Room. All the details are on the flyer. I'm expecting